Hey, I'm Bo, and Mr. P asked me to give a presentation about all the resources
Flippin' Physics
has available to students to help them learn physics and teachers teach physics. Mr. P wanted me to start by saying that every year in late April and early May, he hears from students and teachers, "I wish I'd known about flipping physics earlier," and that is why he asked me to give this presentation.
This is basically what I said last year.
Let him do his presentation, Billy.
Okay.
Yeah, for AP Physics 1, Flipping Physics has detailed videos covering every topic, including lecture notes and Edpuzzle lessons. There's a web page which lists all of those, which he'll add below the description, but I won't say that each time because there are a lot of links that will be there, and it would be redundant for me to say it each time.
I think they need to know what Edpuzzle lessons are.
Okay, Edpuzzle lessons are a way teachers can assign YouTube videos with quiz questions embedded in them. It is a great way to facilitate student learning and make sure students actually watch the videos you assign, because as the teacher, you can see which students have watched the videos, and you can see, by way of the quiz answers, which students understand the lessons as well. And the links on his webpage are to pre-made Edpuzzle lessons, which you can copy and make changes to customize them to your class. And there is also a webpage for AP Physics 1, which has unit review videos and a 30-minute exam cram video, which covers as much of the AP Physics 1 curriculum as possible in 30 minutes. And like he started doing last year, Mr. P is going to do YouTube live Kahoots for each unit, and 2 to review for the AP Physics 1 exam. I've listed those dates and times on the screen. For AP Physics C Mechanics, there are detailed videos covering every topic, including lecture notes and Edpuzzle lessons, and there are also review videos. For AP Physics C Electricity and Magnetism, there are also detailed videos covering every topic, including lecture notes and Edpuzzle lessons. For AP Physics 2, well, again, this year, Mr. P is continuing to work on the AP Physics 2 curriculum. He asked me to ask you to give him a break because he has been working for more than 13 years on flipping physics and has made it through 3 full AP Physics curricula. Evidently, these videos take a long time to make. Anyway, he's working on videos for the AP Physics 2 curriculum. You know what? I feel like detailed videos is not a good enough description of the flipping physics videos, so here are 12 5-second clips from various flipping physics videos.
It's just really fun to do. Now I'm going to take the battery. Ah, God. Whack this hammer against this metal pole.
Don't all rulers have straight edges?
You clearly have never seen my ruler.
Absolutely, but I am not done.
No
Awesome.
There's more.
And let's identify the initial position as right after the ball is released, and the final position. This feels weird.
The physics works, the physics works. The physics works.
Times cross-sectional area times displacement delta x. And we can substitute that in for mass into our equation, and increasing from 1 to 2 seconds.
Wait, what?
Good question.
Everybody brought the mass of the object to the party.
So everything I just listed is free. Unfortunately, after 10 years of giving everything away for free, Mr. P realized he did need to sell something in order to make flipping physics a real job. So he now sells the AP Physics 1 Ultimate Review Packet and Ultimate Exam Slayer. The AP Physics 1 Ultimate Review Packet includes study guides, review supplement videos, multiple choice questions with detailed solutions, videos with common stumbling blocks for each unit, and a full-length practice AP Physics 1 style exam. And the AP Physics 1 Ultimate Exam Slayer includes two full practice exams, and understanding the exam section with details about free response question types, Mr. P's solutions to every applicable AP Physics 1 free response question, multiple choice quizzes for each unit, and an exam tips and strategies section specifically designed to help students understand how to perform well on the exam, which he will add a few more things to this year. And Mr. P assures me that all the questions in the Ultimate Review Packet and Ultimate Exam Slayer are different from one another, there are 0 repeats. And all of the practice exams and multiple choice quizzes utilize an AP exam simulator, which mimics the digital environment of the AP exams. Of course, the AP exam simulator is not created or endorsed by the College Board or Blue Book. And both the AP Physics 1 Ultimate Review Packet and Ultimate Exam Slayer are sold with a 1 per student license for 1 school year. Lastly, Mr. P did want me to point out that he would very much appreciate any financial support you can provide. A link for Patreon, his Patreon, is below with all of the many other links. Yeah. And that is everything. Thank you very much for learning with me today. I enjoy learning with you.
Well done, Mo.
Nice
That was
job.
really good. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Bo.
You are welcome.